Welcome to today's session. We'll be looking at double consonants and a spelling rule related to the double consonants that you may find in some words. First of all, what do these words have in common? Shopped, fatter, controlled, jogging, slimming, cancelled, swimming, stopping. Yes, they are words that have double consonants. For example, swimming. This was one of the words that we showed you earlier. Swimming. This has a double consonant, M and M. M is repeated. And the reason is because we added a suffix to the word swim, which ended with consonant, vowel, consonant. So we added the extra M to make it double consonant because we added the suffix. What are suffixes? Well, a suffix is a group of letters placed at the end of a word to make a new word. Like play, we add a group of letters to turn it into played. Care, full. Say, use a suffix ing, saying. Enjoy, we can use many suffixes with enjoy, but we can use meant to turn it into a noun. Enjoyment. Small, smaller. Old, oldest. Home, homeless. Ed, full, ing, ment, er, est, and less are all suffixes placed at the end of a word to make a new word. So what is the CVC rule in spelling? If you remember, we had the word swimming and we had the CVC rule. Well, the CVC rule is related to vowels and consonants. We have here vowels, A, E, I, O, U, and consonants are the rest of the letters, as you can see in front of you. So we need to know what vowels are and consonants are to understand the CVC rule. So we have the word here, swim. If we were to add a suffix, ing, to swim, the last three letters in the word swim have consonant, vowel, consonant, CVC pattern, and the last letter is not a Y or a W. We simply add another consonant, doubling the last consonant, M. So we spell it as swimming, S-W-I-M-M-I-N-G. The two M's here, this is double consonants because of the CVC rule. Likewise, we have the word fat, and we want to turn it into a comparative adjective, so we add ER. So this is a suffix. We look at the word fat and we see that it has a pattern of CVC. It doesn't have Y or W at the end. We simply add another T, another consonant, fatter, F-A-T-T-E-R. After this, let's practice. Correct the following spelling mistakes. So we have 4 sentences I'm going to show you, and they all have mistakes. Correct them. So we have spelling mistakes in all of these 4 sentences. Write the correct spelling in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe.